What's up, guys? You have the Burping King here, back another video. Today we're finally doing another one. It's gonna be about 5 minutes, because if I'm away longer, it's like 10 minutes. So like it's only been like I'm probably a week now. So yeah, and also I have some guests. They should come along into the video right now. Come on, both of you gotta come in the video. Let's go. Alright, so this is Alan, and then this is John, and they were invited to the video, and I will be burping as loud as I can for 5 minutes straight. So let's do that. Basically this for 5 minutes, so you can watch me do faces or. Nice.
I forgot you're useless.
Oh yeah.
People wanted me to burp in your face, so I gotta burp in someone's face. Come here.
Go ahead, John.
No, hurry up. All right, here you go. All right, come on. Nah, they just want me to do it. They literally want me to do it. Come on. All right, they're doing his. Oh, come on. Over here, Alan. Right here.
He's already over there. No, I'm not.
I guess we're not doing that.
Yeah.
Nice. They get a big one.
Hey.
You can smell it now.
No.
Oh yeah, no. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That doesn't do anything. 3 minutes in.
Daddy.
Basically doing this for like 5 minutes. It's loud when you have blisters fine. Push him.
Push him?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh god. I hope the camera is right, because like if you have it the wrong way, it's like just basically vertical the whole video.
Oh yeah.
Ugh. I'll end this here soon.
Join the party.
Yeah.
Alright guys, I think that'll be it for this video, and I think I'll see you next time, and yeah, and hope you enjoyed the video. Peace!